Okay, we'll start. So we have started correlation. So what is correlation? Anyone can answer? What is correlation? Hello.
We have to deal with the hard-coded values
Hard coded values. No, not hard
with
coded.
the
It's the
server
dynamic
side and
values.
application.
No, we need to
Yes.
mention
User to
dynamic
user.
value. Dynamic value. Okay.
Yeah.
So like what are the values coming from the server side, application side? Those values should do the correlation. So parameteration nothing but like what values you are entering through keyboard, those values should do the parameteration. So now next concept is a correlation. So correlation we can do for the two ways like manual correlation and auto correlation. Manual correlation means we need to find the our dynamic value. We need to find the everything left bound, right boundary, where to write the function, substitution. So this everything we need to manually we need to do. But auto correlation means automatically it will handle. So what is the manual correlation process? Nothing but find the dynamic value in our script, first step. And second step, find the dynamic value left boundary and right boundary. And where to write the function and substitution. So this is the manual correlation process. So going to the first point, find the dynamic value in our script. How to we can find the dynamic value in script? So like what are the dynamic values in our application? So those we need to do for the correlation, right? But this is the very small application. So by seeing, you know that, okay, this one we need to do for the correlation, this we need to do for the parameteration, you know. But it's a very big application. How you know from the like, okay, these drop downs will be there means user to user, the value will be changing. And here we have the radio buttons also will be there. Like user to user, maybe some user will be interested Windows, some user is not interested Windows also. And type of seat also we can observe. We have the three types: business, first coach, and these all things will be there. Like as a user, okay, as per his convenient, he can book from the anything from. Like means every time is coach only it will book everyone. No, right? That is a different. Maybe first or business or whatever maybe as per his convenient is availability, he will book this ticket. And after that, click on continue. And these all will be flight numbers. So this actually Frankfurt to London, it is going for the this date. And you can observe these all will be available flights. Maybe I am going to the Frankfurt to London for that date. You guys also along with me come or your requirement will be different. Maybe I'm going for that Blue Sky Air 120. Like who are there in like people, right? Everyone is coming with me. No, right? Because
No.
their
Yes, no.
departure time availability and their cost. So they based on that, he will be booked from the some different flight also they will select. Means as a user to user, these values will be dynamically changing. And after that, click on continue. After that, these all values we need to enter, click on continue. So this is the way we know that, okay, like these are the dynamic value, you know. But this is the very big application, like 10,000 lines. So by seeing like that, you can go to the next, you can find means that is the very difficult task. So how to find the dynamic value in our script means, so we can record the script twice. We can record the script twice with a different type of test data. Like different test data, nothing but, for example, when you are recording first time, right? You need to select from the like Denver to or Frankenton, you are selecting from the some Paris. So that is the test data. Maybe second time when you are recording, right, you can change this data, some Los Angeles to some London or whatever, maybe you can select. Means these test data you can change. Then you are able to, we know for that, okay, we need to, what list is changing and we can know. So you can observe this also it is changing. So that is why first time when you record, first time you can select this. When you record from the second time, you can change for these options. why we are telling for this option change means, like how to find the dynamic value in our script means, we can record the script twice with a different type of test data. Then you can find the dynamic value. So for example, this is one our script, okay, and what we can do means, okay, now uncheck. Okay, this is the recorded first script assume, and I will open second script also. Okay. Okay. Yeah, now I open two scripts. Now observe. So I recorded two scripts. So you can observe this is the first script code. You can observe. You can come here. So this value, user section value, anywhere we are entering. Anywhere you are entering in the Web2 application? No, right? So this value is coming from the where server side value is coming. Like dynamic value will be two types. One is server side value, application side also. Server side nothing but some section ID, some token ID, okay, some J section ID. This kind of will be happen from the in the login part. When you are see the anywhere login, why they are giving this section ID, this user section token values means, as a developer when is developing the application, some security point of view they will give from the some section IDs. So means you need to handle this. If you not handle, your script will be fail. So that is the one of the dynamic value. And if you come here, and here we can select Paris to Portland, and you can observe from the second script. We can see this. This is the Denver to London. Okay, this is the Windows business we are selected. See, you can observe C type will be seat preferences Windows, C type will be business. If you come here and second script, sorry, you can observe here Paris to London, and here also Windows business coach will be there, right? So you can change from the, like already we know, right, options. When you record, right, at that time you can select from the this none, and this is the coach. Okay, then you need to give from the same. Okay, here also we can give from the same thing. None and coach. Okay. When you record like this, you can record. And after that, how to find the dynamic value means, we need to open from the using for the text compare.com will be there, or beyond compare. We have the different compare tools will be there. So using that, we can compare and we need to identify the dynamic value. See, this is the text compare.com. Just open that. Please mute someone getting disturbance. So here can go to the script, first script. You can enter Control A and Control C and go to the textcompare.com. Just give for the Control D. Okay, that is the first script. And second script, like already I told, right, we need to record the script twice with a different test data. Again, second script also you can Control A and you can Control C and go to the here and you can paste. So now two scripts we are done. Okay. Now what you need to do is just click on for the compare button. So just click for the compare button. So you can click for the compare button. Now come to the down. Okay. Now we can come to down. See here we are compare. After compare we can see this code. So this okay. You can observe this is the web URL web tour. This is the launch one. It is nothing is difference is there. It will show from the this blue color. And you can observe this okay, code only can observe for this web URL web submitter. You can observe because transaction name this all we are providing, right? That could be same also. Sometimes different also will be there. You can observe username, password also you can observe. So for here, you can observe like this dynamic value also it will change actually. I think same script only we are copied from the twice. Like when you record, right? Different script record from the twice. Then this dynamic value also somewhat will be changed. For example, we can little bit changes we can done here. Any one of the script. Okay. Just we can change from the anything is fine. Now again you can compare. So come to the above, you can observe here. You can observe here. This is the user session value. You can observe. So somewhere value will be changed. Like this value, what will happen, right? Every user to user, the value will be changed. So now we are identify that one value is that is the user section value. So just note in the notepad what values you are identifying the dynamic value. You can note down user session value. One is the user section value, and after that again next come to down. This is the click on flight. Here there is no difference, and you can come here. You can observe here departure city here Paris. Here is the Denver. While both is different means as the user, every user not select from the same departure city, same arrive city. Yes or no? So that is why you need to handle from the this dynamic value also departure value and arrive city also you need to handle. And after that you can observe seat preference also you can observe. Here is a none, here is a coach, and here is a windows, here is the business. So means these all values also we need to do the correlation. So now we are find from the one more what departure city and
Kiran, one doubt here.
yes arrive. Yeah,
If I give the parameters, their concept.
parameterization nothing but what you are giving just static input. That is not a dynamic input. So
Number of places, number of in the place of your changes, right? We can change the manual, right? There, if I give the user parameters.
no need, right? So because you can observe here, you can go to the application. Here we have that different drop downs will be there. Actually,
Okay,
what is the
what
scenario as a user will be? It will select from the any one of this. He will select from the any one of this. So when you are doing for the scripting also, same way we need to do. Like first time it is come for the Los Angeles, next time will be different. We execute from the first time, it will be Los Angeles to Portland. Second time, some Denver to London. So means user to user, the value will be changed. So how the real time it is happening, we need to do means you need to must be do the correlation because that is the dynamic value. The blindly, what are the dynamic values in our script? Those values should do the correlation, not parameterization. Parameterization nothing but what values you are entering through keyboard. Okay. So for here, only just your understanding point of view, like when we can compare, right? The difference showing point of view, just I copy paste for this. Okay. So that is the way how to find the dynamic value means you can record the script twice with a different type of test data. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Seed preferences.
Kiran, one doubt, Kiran.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, parameterization is nothing but we need to give values entering through keyboard. We need to do the parameterization, right?
Yes.
Then correlation part will be like if you do the correlation, what will happen next? Exactly.
See, for example, like you can observe here, I think yesterday you are not attended, last 2 days back.
Yes.
So actually you are not done the correlation. Actually, this user section value. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. If you execute this, right, I think okay. So just you can execute this. Your script will be pass. It is showing. But really it is successfully login or not, you know? We
I
don't
don't
know.
know.
We don't know.
Yes.
Really.
Yeah.
But here it is showing from the pass on your script. You can observe your script will be pass.
Yeah. Yes.
But we can observe here. Okay. We can observe here. So this is the dynamic value. It is changing. So I given from the some text verification point. This web break find why we are giving means like each page verification point, because this page exactly it is going to the valid page or not. Like after login, it is going to the this page or not. To validate means we need to give from the web break find function, and this is the text. Text nothing but you can go to the application. So after login, right? This is the launch, and after login we are giving. So you can log in this. So means if you really your script will pass means actually you need to go this page. Yes, right? But
Yes.
but you don't know actually we are logging successfully or not, you don't know.
Yes.
That is why each and every page we need to give from the some validation point. So now if it is a successfully login, it will go this. So how you know means using for the validation point, you can take from the in this page any one of the static test. Like you can take from the reservations also. Okay, you can take from the search also. Whatever maybe you can take. Okay, and say taking search for example. Search. The text is equal just I written search. So this is just one function validation point. Web break find. This is the text is equal to last two is the one of the function. So now what you can do means you can just execute this. It is fail or pass. You can observe.
Obviously, it will be paused, right?
See, you can observe your script is the fail.
Fail. Yeah.
See, fail. Why? Because so why it is failed, you know?
Okay.
Actually, you are not handle this dynamic value. Actually, what will happen, you know? If you not handle this, what will happen means your script will be actually you are there. First time you are logging, and this is the value generated. Second time again one more user logging, this value is changing. If you not handle as a correlation, your script always it fail. So that is why what are the dynamic values changing in our application. So those all values should do the correlation. So very important concept correlation, because maximum I work will be 90% we need to do for the correlation only, because parameterization very simple concept like username, password, first name, last name you can do for the very easy way. But correlation you should understand. That is also easy, but you should be understand the what is the how we need to do, which values we need to do. That is the important thing.
Okay.
Got it, right?
Yes. Got it. Kiran.
Yeah, thank you. So now, like find the dynamic value means what I told. Just you can record the script twice and different type of test data and compare. Once compare, we are able to see the this all values will be different. And apart from this, we have any other things also we can observe. You can go to the here text compare, and we are find from the what values we are find departure, arrive, and seat preferences. Seat type will be different. You can observe. This script to this script is changes you are seeing, right, everyone?
Yes, Kiran. Yes.
So that is good. Okay, next come to the next transaction. Okay, for this transaction you can observe outbound flight value nothing but this is the flight number, like Blue Sky Air 420 that it will come, right? So here also you can observe user to user also this flight value also it will change. You can observe here 239, here 232, some different value. Means this outbound flight value also you need to do for the correlation. So note it from this notepad. Okay. Then after that you come to the next. Okay. For here you can observe expiry date. Date means we know we need to do for the date and time parameterization. And this is the outbound flight. Same thing. Above what value will be there. Same thing. Already we are noted. So no need to note again. Again after that sign out. So you need to identify the dynamic value like this. So some days you need to practice like this. Then by seeing also, you know that, okay, these values we need to do the correlation. When you know means practice, when you are practice again, more practice, then you can know that, okay, because already I'm working with the 10 years, right? I know from the like what values we need to do correlation, no need to compare. But when you are initial, right, you should be compare. Okay? It's clear, everyone? Hello?
Yes, Kiran, understand.
Okay.
Yeah. So thank you. So now, okay, just you can remove this script and we'll work on that. Okay. Now identify the dynamic value is fine. Now we can come to the notepad. First point will be everyone understand. So very important concept. Find the dynamic value in a script. Everyone is fine. So
Yes.
so next point. Find the dynamic value, left boundary and right boundary. What is the dynamic value? User section value is the dynamic value. So go to the script. How to we can find the dynamic left boundary means you can copy this dynamic value. Okay. You can copy dynamic value. Come to the output window. Here select from the code generation and come to the control home, nothing but starting line. Can come to the starting line. Here we have the search window will be there. There you need to what value you copied like as a dynamic value you can paste. After that, just click on the next button. So this value we can capture. So we can take from the enter value. Okay. Okay, you can take from the this entire value, you can copy first. Once you identified, you can copy this. Okay, Control C. And go to the here. First value, what is that? User section, right? So now I copy paste it here. So this is the dynamic value. What is the dynamic value? User section is just name of the that one. But actually, what is that dynamic value? What I selected, right? That is the dynamic value. Dynamic value left text contain left boundary. Right text contain right boundary. So what is the left text? So this entire after 1 onwards, this is the left boundary. You can just give from the LB is equal left boundary. Sorry, not there. Okay. Sorry, here enter LB is equal left boundary. So right boundary means after F, what is the text is there? That is the right boundary. You can give from the right boundary equal, you can give. Okay. So like that, you need to identify the dynamic value, left boundary, right boundary. It's clear, everyone? So each point I'm very clearly explaining. Really, if you have any doubts, right, please ask because this is the very important concept. Okay. Next, where to write the function? Where to write the function? Nothing but, so we have the one function will be there. What is the function means? Web underscore reg underscore save underscore parup. This is the function name. For this, we have the arguments will be there. Each argument could be there in double colon. First argument, and second argument, and third argument, and last also one of the argument. After that, close the bracket and colon. So this is the syntax of our correlation function. What is the function? What is the function? Hello? Web underscore reg underscore save underscore param. And this is the now it is coming to the here. First, each and every argument could be in double colon. First is the parameter name. Parameter name. And second one is the LB is equal to. And next is the RB is equal to. So this is the parameter, nothing but which value we are doing? Which value we are doing?
User session.
User section value. So you can take from the just what value you are doing, you can take from that, and parameter name place, you can place this. Is fine. User section, nothing but parameter name. LB. Already we know the LB. Just you can enter LB value, you can copy. In the double colon place, you can give from the LB. And LB after that RB. RB also we know, you can copy this RB, and you can RB in between double colon, you can give from the double colon place, you can give from the RB. This is the function where we are replace the LB and RB and parameter name, where function is ready. But what is the our actually third point, where to write the function? Like this function we need to write from the script. Where we can write, we know? We know? We don't know, right? So how do we can identify that? Means actually the dynamic value is contained in the login request. So for here, you need to check from the, like here snapshot, what is this? T2. So any correlation when you are doing for the dynamic value, right? Don't write from the immediate of the above of the your dynamic value. So here T2 is there, means don't write from the T2 above. We need to write from the skip from the T2 to T1 above. Like this is the snapshot T2, right? You can go to the above and snapshot T1 above you need to write. Like means you need to write from the function here. Clear everyone? So actually our dynamic value contained in this request snapshot T2. So we are not write immediately of this. If you write here, your script will be fail, because the response will be contained from the here. That is why we need to write from the above of this T. See, you can observe snapshot T1 above you need to write. So now already we know the function, just you can control V. So now you can observe here, actually this it is coming as a black color. Actually that is not coming to the black color, it is coming to the blue or red color, it will come. And why it is coming, and you can observe also script parsing is failed you got. Script parsing is failed you got. Why we got that error means some syntax error. What is that syntax error means? Actually, load runner don't know from the these double colons. Like what is the value we are copied from the here, right? Here double colon will be there. 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 Here double colon. So actually, load runner is unable to identify that. Okay, this will be don't know. That is why it is throwing an error. So how do we can handle this? Means where is the double colon will be there? There you need to give for the black slash. You need to give from the backslash. So like you can observe our syntax also, it is coming from the double colon. It is coming from the double colon. So don't give from the this double colon. Only what value we are picking from the code generation, where it is coming from the double colon, there we need to give from the slash. Now you can observe where we can give, we can go to the script here, and you can observe first double colon we are given. So that is why no need to give anything. So this double colon is coming from the where script response only we got, right? So that is why you need to give for the before double colon give the slash, black slash. Okay, and after that you can observe here also one more is there. You can give for the one more slash, and here user section is equal before also we have one more. You can give for the one more slash. And hidden before also we have one, you can give from the one more. And here type equal to also we have, can give for the one more. And you can observe, so but here also double colon will be there. I will give for the slash, means it's not good, because each and every argument we are given from the double colon, within the double colon, that is the syntax. Now go to the LB is fine. Now come to the RB. RB also we can observe here one double colon will be there if you give this. Now you can observe here script parsing is succeeded. Means there is no syntax errors now. So after function where to write is completed, final step will be substitution. Final step should be substitution. Substitution nothing but this parameter name we need to replace from the where is the dynamic value. In the dynamic value place you can replace. You can copy this and you can give from the user section underscore COR because we are doing for the correlation, right? You can give that. You can copy this, okay, and control H, and you can copy the dynamic value also. You can first of all you can copy the parameter name, and after that dynamic value also you can copy. Like where is dynamic value? This is the dynamic value. Control C, and you can paste this. Okay. Now means just you can observe we are finding this value, we are replacing with this value. When you are replaced, right, we need to replace with the before open curly brace and close curly brace. In between we need to give for the our parameter name. That is the syntax. Now you can find next where is the text. You can observe, okay, this is the, so you can replace. Again you have any other things you can check. So no more values, so that is fine. Means replace is done. So substitution also completed. After this, now we can execute. Your script is pass or fail, we can observe. Now you can observe your script will be pass. Last time it is not pass when you are given from the validation point. You can observe we are given from the validation point. If you are not done the correlation, it is failed from the here only because you are unable to log in successfully. Why? Because this dynamic value will be changing. Now you are handled. Now you can observe in the output window. The dynamic value is there, not there. You can observe. See, user section core, it is generated this value. You can copy this value. Just you can copy this and go to the notepad and just you can paste from here. This is the after replay the script you got. Script we got from this, right? When you record the script, you got this is the dynamic value. Now you can observe this dynamic value is change or not? User section value. The user section value is different or same?
Change.
Change. So means you can execute one more time. We'll observe again it is changing or not. You can observe. Again, you can come to the output window. So if you face errors or everything, we can see in the output window only. What is that error and everything we can decide here. You can copy this again. Can come to the again notepad and enter from the this. See this value also change or same? Same or changing?
Changed.
Means what will happen? Every user to user this value is changing. You are now you capture using for the boundaries you are captured. That is why this value change also you are able to capturing. Your script will be successfully be passed. Got it, everyone?
Yes, Kiran. Yes, Kiran.
Yes.
So this is the our correlation concept. So up to this you can complete it. One value is completed user section. Next we need to do for the departure and array and C type. Like how many values in our script? All values you need to complete. You need to do these 4 steps. This step one time is fine because once you can identify that is fine. Next step we need to follow these 3 steps will be each and every dynamic value we need to do these all things. So this is the correlation. Anyone have any doubt regarding this? So this second time I'm explained because few numbers are not there. Okay. Everyone is fine or anyone have any doubt you can ask me.
The function will be same here. Same, right, Sriram?
Yes, function
Okay.
will be same. WebRex save param. That is the syntax. This is the same from the every dynamic value.
Dynamic
Web
value.
underscore rec
That-
underscore save
yes,
underscore
that-
param, and after that parameter name comma LB comma RB comma last. This is from the everywhere will be same. What is the difference means? This is the you are doing for the departure. You can give from the departure core. This is the LB. LB will be this is the this dynamic value. This is the LB. But Denver will be some different left boundary will be there. Some different right boundary will be there. You need to pass from the here LB RB. That is the difference. Clear?
No, one and only doubt is
Yes.
where, in which situation we can use the parameter concept, which situation we can use the correlation. If I use the parameters,
there is no situation. These are the scripting enhancements. Okay. So parameteration nothing but if you want to for the multiple users means you can doing for the parameteration. Okay. So
parameters are only for the user creations.
User creations. Multiple users you are executing means real time how you are giving for data. Same need for.
Yeah, Kiran. Here one doubt is we have changed the credit card. We have changed